Was really good. Was really good. Back up with another one. It's gonna be the last tool, whatever video, beginner's guide with tools and how to use them and etc. Exponential moving average. Essentially, it just shows you what price is doing, what the price is moving averagely, what its averaged movement is, essentially. But yeah, you want to go here, go to inputs and change length to 8, and essentially just copy this whole thing. This is going to be one of your EMAs. So just copy this whole thing, anything here, color, you can do whatever you want. I have nothing done with that. All right. From there, then you go to your second one and do the same thing, but make the length 14. And then copy everything else you see on here. Again, you could choose whatever color you want. So price sort of slightly moving upwards, but it's not really giving you enough confluence that, oh, it's going to start buying. You feel me? Because it's just been consolidating until you see black at the bottom and green at the top, because it flipped. You feel me? So originally here, when it was selling, it was black at top, which means sell, and green at the bottom, which lets you know it's sell. So whichever color is on top of the other one lets you know what it's actually doing. So this black being above the green lets me know that's selling, because, well, it's selling. And then the green above the black lets me know it's buying. All right. So it went from there, came down here, it's been consolidating. So it's just like, do I enter for a buy, sell, what do I do? What do I do? Because it's just consolidating. And then eventually, boom, flips. Green above black. EMA's flipped. That lets you know, hey, I could be looking good to enter in a buy. Now, just because it flips doesn't mean it can't flip again. You feel me? So you got to be smart. You got to add more confluences into it, which could be your support and resistance zones, which could be your Fibonacci retracement tool and the specific golden levels. That might even include a trend line as well. That might even include, which I'll have a video on eventually, which will be overall analysis and the overall trend. That play into the fact that this finally flipped to the buy side, which is green above black, because my green candles are for buy and my black are for sell. So buy side is above the sell side. And with all those other analyses or whatever that add on to all my confluences, that lets me know I can enter for a position, the buy side position right now, and I'll be safe. So it would be risky entering here, but it also came back down to retest and would have been in the general area where you would have entered anyways if you entered early here, and boom, you would have caught that whole thing. Shmoney, just like that. And then yeah, it's the only indicator that will quite literally legit tell you what price is doing. So like here, when it flipped to black over green, which means sell side is above the buy side, lets me know it's selling. Guess what? I could have entered for a sell the moment it flipped, which would have been risky, but boom, would have got that. All right. Then eventually it flipped to green right there. Would have been risky entering there. Would have been smarter to enter here, and boom, would have caught all that. Flipped to sell. Boom, could have caught all that. Stayed on sell right here. Probably wouldn't have entered unless I had Fibonacci right here, and it stayed within the golden zones, giving me the right confluences. EMAs are still on sell. Boom, sell position, hold it to there. Move. All right, EMAs flip to buy. I'm not sure where they are right now, but looks like green is over black just here and here, so I could have entered for that buy position. Huge news event, which is why you can't really see it, but yeah, boom. Sell position, because sell flipped over. Black over green. Sell. Alright, then guess what? Flipped over. Green over black. Could have bought. Just like that. That was, I don't even know, like 5-6 trades that you could have took. Just strictly off them EMAs. They work. They are the only indicator that I use, or the only indicator from the people that I watch as mentors, you could say, Those are the only ones they use because they're the only ones that you genuinely need. There are some other there are other traders. Again, it really depends on the strategy and the person mentor you have, because obviously you want to copy after them because they're profitable, essentially, basically. But that could fall into maybe the guy who's your mentor uses RSIs or the oscillator, whatever, or anything else, whatever. But me personally, and all the people that are my mentors, etc., whatever, only use that exponential moving average because it's the only indicator that you really need. You want to have your chart free, visually free. You don't want to be, oh, is it which level is it gonna get to? Because I have so many support and resistance. Oh, what is woo. So for my Fibonacci retracement, I took off the background because it was just too much colors, just too much blocking everything. You want to have your charts free. You want to be able to see visually where price is going to go to, what price is doing right now, what the candles are looking like, and etc. So instead of having a ton of indicators and whatever on your screen, only one that you really need are the exponential moving averages, the EMAs. But yeah, that's just a video on EMAs, how you can use them, how you can profitably use them, and yeah. But yeah, if you want to like, subscribe, go to the gram, whatever you want to do. I'm trying to help some people out. I'll see y'all.